Make sure you stay until the end. If not fixed on time, that will cause more damages and you may end up spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys. It could be practically any BMW. If you guys have one of those and you notice that you guys start having vibrations, let's say you feel the car vibrating at idle or accelerating, the engine maybe even sounds a little bit noisier, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that. Number one reason for that, we notice that happen usually about between 100 and 110,000 miles, and it's a component that 9 out of 10 people will never replace, and when you replace them you will have like a brand new vehicle. It will drive nice, smooth, the engine will be quiet. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience today. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything, transmissions, engines, bodywork. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too, at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money guys. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So let's continue now. So now lately guys, we've been working on quite a few BMWs here, one after another one, and here guys, okay, this is a 5 Series F10 generation, but recently we did the same work on BMW X4, F26 and BMW F30 and even E90. You have these components. These things are known as engine mounts guys. You have two of them, one on the left, one on the right side. What they do guys, these engine mounts actually guys hold your engine, okay, fixed to the car body, and they consist of two components. You have a rubber here, okay, and you have a hydraulic fluid there, hydraulic fuel on the bottom to catch the little bitty vibrations. When they start failing, okay, actually the vibrations from the engine, because every time the engine turns, even though we have a counter shaft guys, okay, you still have vibrations. That will guys cause that vibration to be transferred to the body. Okay, from there to the metal will be amplified to the dash, seats, and you will even start hearing a little bit of a noisier engine due to those vibrations being amplified by the metal body. And engine mounts will be the number one reason for that thing. Also transmission mounts, okay, often you have one or two transmission mounts on the back, and you can see guys, okay, we have here two engine mounts on this car, two transmission mounts. This one, we open one of them, okay, this one you can see it's filled with oil here, and it has multiple components on the inside. You can see like different things, and that mount itself, you can see how the gap on this side is really big, on this one is small, and it's even rubbing. It's deformed engine mount. It's really soft compared to the original one, which means that the rubber is deformed. Sometimes they will even crack, and that will cause vibrations guys. So if you notice vibrations at idle or acceleration, check engine mounts. Always replace engine mounts and transmission mounts at the same time. Let's say you put new engine mounts, which takes quite a bit of work usually, and you forget to replace the transmission mounts. Usually that's the simple thing to do. They're easy to do. If that transmission mount is broken, it will cause the whole engine and transmission to move, and that will cause damage to the new engine mounts, which are quite expensive, way more expensive than the transmission mount, and it takes more work to do as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.